Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginner and intermediate learners. We read a story with the title Pinky the Flamingo's Big Bright World. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, identify new vocabulary, and remember to practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Once there was a tiny flamingo named Pinky. He lived inside a pale blue egg near a quiet lake. The warm sun touched the sand every day. Pinky could hear soft splashes and gentle birds' calls. One bright morning, the egg began to crack. Pinky pushed with his small little beak. The shell slowly broke open. He finally saw the beautiful world around him. Pinky was not pink at all. His feathers were soft and grey. He looked different from the tall birds nearby, but his mother smiled at him with love. His mother showed him the lake. The water shimmered like silver glass. Tiny creatures moved under the surface. Pinky felt curious and excited. Learning to stand was not easy. Pinky's legs were long and wobbly. He fell again and again, but every time he stood back up. Soon Pinky learned to walk slowly. He followed his mother everywhere. The wind brushed his feathers gently. The lake felt like a magical place. Other baby flamingos joined Pinky. They played and explored together. Sometimes they chased little insects. Sometimes they rested under the sun. Pinky learned how to eat from the lake. He dipped his beak into the water. He tasted tiny shrimp and algae, and the food was strange but good. Every day Pinky grew taller. His legs became stronger. His wings stretched wider. He started to feel proud of himself. One morning, Pinky saw a mirror of water. He looked at his reflection carefully. He still had grey feathers, but he noticed a tiny hint of pink. His mother explained the colour change. She said the food made them pink. The more they ate, the brighter they became. Pinky could hardly wait to glow. The flock moved together every day. They walked slowly in a long line. They trusted each other deeply. Pinky felt safe in the group. One afternoon, a storm arrived. Dark clouds covered the sky. Rain splashed loudly on the lake. Pinky stayed close to his mother. If you are enjoying this story thus far, Please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you could be alerted for all our future stories. After the storm, a rainbow appeared. The sky looked like a painting. Pinky stared in wonder. He had never seen such beauty. Weeks passed, then months passed. Pinky's feathers slowly turned pink. The color was soft at first, but every day it grew brighter. Pinky practiced flapping his wings. He jumped into the air and fell down. He laughed in his bird way. Learning was fun, even when it was hard. One day he flew a tiny distance. His feet barely touched the water. His heart beat fast. Baboof, 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 baboof. He felt like he could fly forever. Now Pinky was part of the flock. They stood together on one leg. They rested in peaceful silence. The lake became their shared home. Sometimes humans came to watch them. They took pictures from far away. Pinky was not afraid. He knew the lake was protected. The sun rose and set every day. Pinky loved the orange mornings. He loved the purple evenings too. The sky always told a story. One hot day, the lake became shallow. The water was lower than before. The flock gathered to talk. They knew it was time to move. The flamingos flew together. Their wings beat in perfect rhythm. Pinky stayed close to the group. The journey felt long, but exciting. They found a new lake far away. The water sparkled like diamonds. There was plenty of food. Pinky felt grateful for this place. Now Pinky was bright pink. His feathers shone in the sunlight. He looked just like his parents. He finally felt grown up. One spring day, Pinky met another flamingo. Her name was Ruby. She was gentle and kind. They liked walking together. Pinky and Ruby built a nest. They used mud and small sticks. They worked carefully every day. Their nest grew taller and stronger. Soon Ruby laid a single egg. They took turns sitting on it. They guarded it with care. Their hearts were full of hope. The egg began to crack one morning. A tiny beak appeared. Pinky felt tears in his eyes. He was now a father. Their baby was grey and fluffy. Pinky remembered his own childhood. He stayed close to protect it. The family felt complete. Pinky taught his baby to stand. He showed how to find food. He was patient and kind, just like his mother once was. The flock grew larger each season. Many babies filled the lake. The sound of life was everywhere. The lake was full of joy. Pinky often looked at the sky. He remembered his first flight. He remembered being small and scared. Now he felt strong and brave. Years passed quietly and beautifully. Pinky became a wise flamingo. Others followed his lead. He was proud of his journey. At sunset, Pinky stood on one leg. The water reflected his bright pink feathers. Birds flew softly overhead. Peace filled his heart. Pinky knew life was a big cycle. He once was a baby in an egg. Now he had a family of his own, and the lake would always be home. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.